Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're starting inside Google Chat. Open the web app or the mobile chat app and tap your profile picture. Once done, choose Manage Accounts on this device so you can see every signed-in Google account. This step lists linked accounts and is where removal begins. Don't skip it because you'll need the account chooser to target the exact profile you want removed. Make sure you're on the right account before proceeding because the next actions affect only that signed-in profile. Now select the specific account to remove. You'll see options like Remove, Sign Out, or Remove Account. On web, click Sign Out or Manage Accounts and then Remove from this device. On Android/iOS, you may be routed to System Account Settings to remove the Google account. Confirm when prompted. This detaches chat data for that account from the device or browser session. Once confirmed, that account no longer appears in chat until you sign in again. Finish by checking the profile menu to confirm the account is gone. If it still appears, clear browser cookies or app cache and try again because cached sessions can persist. If removal still fails, sign out of all Google apps, reboot the device, and then remove the account from system settings or uninstall and reinstall the chat app. One key troubleshooting tip: if you see sync errors, temporarily disable sync or sign out of Chrome to ensure the account is fully detached.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.